Hello, I'm Ed. Welcome to my channel. This is my Centurion Ironman, and I'm doing a restore to it, and I took out the bottom bracket. I used the special wrench for the left hand side and a crescent wrench for the right hand side. You can see it has bearings. I'm going to replace it with these sealed bearings, and I have a Park tool bit that I'm going to use to put them back in. Spray a little of this on a rag, on a sharp rag. Try to clean it out the best I can. Use a little silicoleum. The bottom bracket is easy to install. The orientation is shown. This is what it looks like when it's finished. This is the driver right side, and you tighten it by going counterclockwise. This is the left side, and you tighten it by going clockwise. This is the special Park tool. Nice and smooth, not like the 35-year-old one. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.